Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my account here, and you'll see in the top left-hand corner now, my total earnings are $444.35. And more importantly in this video, I want to show you how, if you're not familiar with OLSP System, this product is called Megalink. And Megalink is where you can promote one link to earn 7 income streams, up to 7 income streams. This is the gentleman here, Wayne Crowe. He's the owner and creator of Megalink. I recommend there'll be a link in the description where you can get access to this video. I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe. This gentleman here, if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for someone to help you succeed with affiliate marketing, then I can highly recommend Wayne. And the reasons why I'm going to go through in this video now. So one of the reasons is I'm going to show you a bit later on how the system works. But first of all, I want to show you a couple of things. One reason is the absolute insane value he gives with training. So to get traffic to not just Megalink, but to any other offer that you're promoting online. So a free trade, all these are free here, these free products when you join. So the first training here, I recommend you watch this. So you're learning from an absolute expert, Wayne, how he made $10 million in commissions. There's some social media training. This one here, Comment Dominator Pro, is you can get paid for just commenting on social media. You see there's a live training here in 7 hours. There's also another upcoming event training 3 days later on April the 5th. There will be replays for these if you can, with the time difference, if you can't access them live. So the value, I don't think I've ever seen better value of any product online than I have with this one. And there's no monthly membership costs, which is really another reason why you've got the potential to get into profit. Not only get into profit and stay in profit as well. So I'm going to show you here, when you get your Megalink, this is a training that Wayne does inside your members area. So you can join through the link in the description. Now you'll see he's drawn a line down here. There's nothing hard, there's nothing technical about this. It's perfect for beginners if you're looking to start making money online. And it's also great for if you're looking to add an additional income stream, profitable income stream to your portfolio. So what you'll see here is that what Wayne is concerned with here is everything to the left-hand side of the line here. These two boxes is all you're concerned with. So you're going to get your Megalink. Let's just get rid of that there. Let's just get rid of that there. So in the top right-hand corner, what you'll see there in the top right-hand corner is your Megalink. So you're going to promote just one single link. That's it. You get that link there. You'll get a done for you lead capture page. And then what happens is, this is where the magic happens. All you've got to do is focus on one thing, and then the system takes over. So that one thing is to learn traffic. But Wayne is going to teach you through his training and support. He's going to teach you how to drive traffic to your Megalink, which in essence is your lead capture page. So you promote your lead capture page, then everything else over here on this side of the line, everything else is done for you. Absolutely everything. I can't believe the value that Wayne is giving really for a one-time payment of $7. It is probably the best offer, best value in any offer I think I've ever seen in any offer online. So you're going to promote your lead capture page. Your prospects are going to opt in and go onto an email list. And then that's when it gets even better, because what Wayne does, he's got a team of 32 staff. So what he does, he sends out emails for you. He promotes you. You don't need an autoresponder because it's all done for you. He's got the autoresponder and he sends out for you all the emails. Now those emails have got your affiliate links in. Let's call that AL for affiliate links. They've got your affiliate links in, and he's promoting offers to your prospects for you. Now you'll see here, he's got low ticket offers. He promotes medium ticket offers. He promotes passive income products, and he promotes high ticket products. Now he's got his own products, so he knows they convert because he created them himself. He spent $250,000 on this system, and he's only charging you $7 without any monthly membership costs. So he's promoting you, and then if anyone buys, then you start to earn money. And that's all I've ever done. When I showed you the proof of commissions at the beginning of this video, all I've ever done is drive traffic to my mega link. All I've ever done is just one thing. That's it. I use free traffic. I recommend that you follow his free traffic trainings in the members area. And if you want to scale up faster, you can reinvest some of your profits into paid traffic. Now it gets even better because he's got a Facebook group. So he not only provides the training, he also provides the help and the support. 95% of people fail online because they don't have anybody to talk to. They don't have anybody to contact. They don't know where to get help. So Wayne's got 144,000 members in his Facebook group. He's also very active himself within the Facebook group for help, support, training, updates, a lot of beginners asking questions and getting their questions answered. If you'd like me to mentor you one-to-one, I can help you as well. So my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. But the main thing is, this system has everything you need to become successful online. It has the products that convert, it has the traffic training, it has the done-for-you follow-ups on autopilot, and it also has the help support that you might even need if you want any help with anything at all. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other members of OLSP System. So we've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP and also promote it as an affiliate. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new uploads. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP Megalink, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer your questions for you. And I recommend that you just, let's find this video here. I recommend that you just click the link in the description and come and meet Wayne Crowe. If you are looking for a mentor, if you are looking for someone who's genuine, sincere, and has got the experience and success to teach you everything he's learned in the last 10 years. He's made millions of dollars, and he's here to teach and mentor you how to become successful with affiliate marketing. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.